It's a beautiful day on the island of Sodor. Everything is good except Toby. He's sick. Flora came to see him.
Are you okay?
I must go, or I'll be sent to the museum.
Take rest. Don't force yourself.
No, I must keep going.
Don't worry. I'll help you. Perhaps I'll pull your train.
And she puffed bravely away. Flora got to the quarry to get some slate trucks.
Wow, that's a long line of trucks. But I must help Toby.
So she buffered up to the long line of trucks. She puffed her hardest, but her wheels just slipped and slipped. But at last she managed to puff away.
I'm going! I've done it! I must help Toby. He won't be scrap. He's really useful.
Soon the other engines saw Flora along with the trucks.
Flora pulling a train? You slow coach, just like Toby.
What? Toby is not slow. He's really useful. I must help Toby.
She reached the top of Gordon's Hill. But then there was trouble. Her coupling broke and she rode forward by herself. She then found out this and looked back. The trucks were racing down the hill and she applied the brakes hard and squeezed to a stop. The trucks then banged right into Flora. Soon, Sir Topham Hatt arrived on Harvey.
You have caused confusion and delay. And where is Toby?
He's sick, and he's afraid you are going to send him to the museum.
Museum? Who's going to send a really useful engine to a museum?
Oh, I know it now, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Soon, Harvey cleared the mess, and Flora continued her journey. When Flora arrived at the shunting yards, Charlie welcomed her.
Welcome to the shunting yard. Thanks for bringing these trucks for me.
Then Flora thanked Charlie, and she went back home to take a rest.